Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make an eggplant curry or an eggplant gravy, and the gravy base for this curry is very similar to the gravy that they prepare for fish curry in Goa, and this is the vegetarian variation of it, and it's really delicious, and you can have this piping hot with rice. So let's get going. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. So here we've taken about 8 to 10 medium-sized eggplants, which we have sliced like this. We needn't slice them too fine. We've soaked them in water so they don't discolor. In the meanwhile, I'm taking 1 cup of grated coconut here, and along with 4 to 5 slices of ginger which have been peeled, and 6 to 7 pods of peeled garlic, 2 to 3 slit green chillies, and 4 to 5 dried red chillies. We've also taken 3 tomatoes which we have sliced roughly, and we are going to grind all of this to a fine paste. So the paste is all ready. We barely added any water to this because the tomato itself has quite a lot of water content. Here we've taken 3 finely chopped onions, and we are going to mash it like this in a pan. Make sure you take a broader pan for this. And then let's switch on the flame and we'll place this pan over the gas. So at this stage, let's add in some oil to it. This is just about 2 teaspoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, let's toss the onions in the pan a bit until they turn translucent. We don't really want to change the color of the onions. So now the onions are translucent. So let's add in the turmeric powder, coriander powder or dhania powder, and cumin powder or jeera powder. Let's give this a good mix, allowing the masalas to get incorporated in the onions. So you can see the onions have turned nice and yellow because of the masalas we've added to these. So now let's add in the ground paste that we just prepared. Once we've added the entire paste to it, we need to cook the paste a bit along with the onions. So let's just mix it well and give it a good stir. So the paste has come to a boil now. So we can add in some water. Here I've taken 2 cups of water and I'm just pouring it over the paste. Let's add in the salt to taste. And I've also taken about 5 to 6 petals of Kokam. This is dried Kokam and it gives a very nice sour taste to the dish. Now let's cover and cook this curry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Wow, so this curry has come to a nice boil. And now let's add in the chopped eggplants. Mix it in. Again, we've been covering and cooking this so that our eggplants get nicely cooked. So after about 10 minutes of cooking on a slow flame, the eggplants have now got all cooked and it's ready to be served. So this is a very unique preparation, and this is on the lines of fish curry but with a vegetarian twist to it. This has a very tangy flavor and this tastes really good when served with rice, and that's why today we are going to serve it with coconut milk rice. You can check out the recipe of coconut milk rice on our channel. I'll provide the link in the description box below. That's for you. Have a spoonful of it. And I really hope you like this recipe of eggplant curry. And do try this out at home. Give us a feedback. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.